This is the 2025 Holiday Rambler Incline 27U. First, we'll show you the outside features, then the inside features, give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, then a build quality rating. Let's go. I can't remember the last time Holiday Rambler built a Class C RV. Let's take a look at the outside. And move back here by the door, you'll see there is your side view camera. One on each side, of course. Your awning, look at that, full length. Here is your outdoor television with soundbar. Under here, we have your propane. The next one, this is a storage bay, and it also has your inverter and your cutoff switches. Your inverter disconnect and your slide out disconnect is above that. It's hard to see, but it looks like it goes all the way through. Here is your water heater. This is Suburban. You have your heater. And this is one thing I like about it. I'll say that. This is your outdoor kitchen, which actually comes with your small fridge here, a Suburban griddle, your cooktop, and a little storage up here. And you have power outlets and a little space if you have something to cook on here, or you could just put it out here somewhere. And some shelving. Your propane quick connect is right under it. And let's check out the other side. Down back, you have your rear view camera, a full length ladder. Oh, almost hurt myself. Some extra storage in the back. Your fuel fill in the rear. You also have a place to keep your sewer hose right here in the bumper. Your black tank flush, city water, outdoor shower. Behind this door, this is your drain for your black and gray tanks. And that's it. I didn't hit the slide this time.
You're doing good this show, John.
I am. You're going to test me though here. This is where your electrical is and your surge protector. And here is more storage. Gonna wear me out, there's a lot of storage bays. And here is more storage. It's passed through the other side of the pass through. And this is
that's a good component there, John. What is that?
It's for draining your water. And here is more storage. And I'm staying down here.
Come on, get up. Need a hand?
No, because here, oh, this is the back of your refrigerator, I think. That's usually what they look like. And this is on 16-inch tires. Let's go back around and check out the inside. Before we go in, let's check out the cargo carrying capacity. And for this, it's 1,864 pounds.
All right, John, while you take the driver's seat, I'll just do a quick tour and meet you back up front, just so that everybody can see what the layout is before we get started. I actually kind of like this layout, John.
It is nice.
Oh, it's chilly in here, too. Air is pumping.
This vehicle's on the E450 chassis. The Class C's actually have an airbag, unlike the Class A's. You have your climate control here. You have charging stations right here. And you have your touchscreen, Bluetooth, satellite radio. You have cup holders, glove compartment. Since this is a Ford E-Series vehicle, I'm surprised the steering wheel doesn't come with hands-free for your phone. You have to actually use the touchscreen over here for your hands-free. Above my head is the bed, and I have to be careful and watch my head because the piece is in. The front shade has a button here for operation. Let's let in the light. I don't think we have enough film for this.
I kind of like and dislike that it's power.
I
It's
know.
one more thing that can break easily, but it's super simple to put it up and down.
It is. It makes it simple. And there you have it. It also has reading lamps up there and storage on either side. To my right here is a U-shaped dinette. There's a little step up. Has power supplies there. It's a little snug, but it can fit maybe 4 or 5 people around it. You have your window, which actually opens right there, and LED lighting above me, and storage beneath my seat.
How many seat belts does that have? Can you tell?
I can't tell from looking at this. Hold on. I may be able to tell by looking behind here. I see one on this side. There's probably one on this side. It looks like it has...
Are you in the center?
Yes. Looks like it has 3. So you can seat 3 here while you're driving. On the other side of this, the kitchen. We have these brass fixtures here. It's a sprayer.
You know, John, brass was really popular back in like the 80s. I'm
It
surprised to see
was.
it making a comeback.
It is. And it's on the cabinets too. And there's a farm style sink on this one. More space down here than I expected.
Oh, there's something very interesting down here, John. It's not just space. Looks like you've got your water filter down here too.
Yes, your water filter and your water pump. Easy access to that water pump.
Which is good, and I think the Suburban controls are down there as well.
Yes, they are. And you have 4 drawers, not very deep, but it's a kitchen, so it's pretty good.
Are they finished or unfinished?
They're unfinished. Yeah, they're unfinished. There's power right here in the center of your counter. A 3-burner stove right here with convection microwave. Above this, 2 cabinets with adjustable center shelf. And a Max air filter tops it off in the ceiling here. An Insignia refrigerator, freezer. And your pantry.
How deep is that, John? So that
It's
hard to tell when you're
pretty deep.
on video. Oh, that is very deep. Okay.
It is, and it's big, it's wide. And that does it for the kitchen. Over here, your wardrobe.
Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I see why the wardrobe's here. Okay.
Yes, because
It's a Murphy bed.
it's
right
a
there.
Murphy bed. And 6 drawers. They're this big.
It's pretty deep.
Yes, yes it is. So we're officially in the bedroom.
Well, actually, technically, John, you're in the living room right now.
Oh, that's right. It's a living room configuration. And this one has a couch in it. I have to check the options. Probably could get... I don't know with the Murphy bed what they have for seating options.
I'll put the options
Yes.
in.
Good idea.
Relate to them.
Yes. Across from me is the fireplace and the television. 2 drawers for storage. A very large one and an almost large.
I like to do my test to see how sturdy they are.
Yes.
They're good.
Above the TV, deep storage up there.
And it passes through.
Yes, it does. And your Murphy bed right behind the couch. You can see it up there. This shows you everything that's going on. It has, it shows all the levels in quarters, which you know I'm not a fan of. This is good. Where is the? I'm missing something here. I bet. Yes, there it is. I was looking for the toilet paper. It's a little bit of a reach there, but it's fine.
So wait, if you have kids with you,
Oh, they'll have to hop off to grab the toilet paper.
keep a spare roll in that
Yeah,
drawer.
keep something right there. Here is a drawer and 2 cabinets. Lots of linen can fit in there. There's a window also behind you.
Behind me.
Oh, sorry, I'm in here. You're not in here. Medicine cabinet, sink, and cabinet again.
Now I've noticed they've gone to the black fixtures in the bathroom,
Yes.
which is different from the fixtures they have in the kitchen.
And now,
Oh my gosh, John, you need a step stool for that.
it's almost my
What's your
knee.
knee?
My knee is right here.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Oh, you seem really tall right now. Hold on, I gotta back up.
I am tall all of a sudden, but this is pretty high in here. I'm 5'6". This is pretty high. This is not an adjustable, unfortunately. It just stays right there. You'll have to use your hands if you're taller than me. I could deal with it right there. And some shelving, but it's roomy. I'll say that. So let me hop out and
All right, John, thank you for that tour. Now it's time for your pet peeve, my favorite feature, and our build quality rating. And for those of you who are new to our channel, our build quality rating is basically the fit and finish of the RV that we are in at the moment.
right.
So it's not for all of that model,
No.
the particular brand, but it's just for the one that we're standing in. And it's just a fit and finish because there is not enough time to do a complete tour of these at the RV shows.
And we're not RV inspectors.
We're just two RVers who love looking at RVs, right?
Right.
Okay. All right, John. So what is your pet peeve?
My pet peeve is the drain outside, because it goes within inches of the door. So I'm wondering, how do you hook in your hose? And are you able to close that door? Does the door have to stay open and it comes out the door? I mean, they have all that room below it. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't like that.
I'm with you on that one. My favorite feature in this one actually has to be the layout. I really like the layout of this one for a Class C. It's a little bit different than some of the other ones that we have seen.
It's
very
roomy.
spacious. It's roomy.
Yeah.
So it's good. I like it.
All right.
All right, so now we're gonna go look at the build quality.
Yep.
Give us a few minutes, we'll be right back. All right, John, we've had a chance to go through this RV. What are your thoughts?
This is a much better build than I've seen in a while. I like this Holiday Rambler build. It's pretty clean.
Yeah, I found a few things though, but you know how I am. I found some trim that
Yes.
just wasn't uneven. I don't know if I necessarily like that they used an MCD shade as an automatic shade. For those of you who have RVs,
Yeah,
you know that the MCD shades break all the time.
they do tend to.
And if that's power, I just worry that, you know, you're just gonna have a bigger repair bill for getting that fixed.
Right.
But for the most part, it actually is, except for like there's an area in the bathroom where I didn't like some of the cuts. It kind of left
Yeah.
some areas exposed to water. And then in the kitchen, by the wall between where the countertop is and the refrigerator cabinet is, it could use some additional sealant in there. It was sort of inconsistently applied. But other than that, for the most part, I think they did a pretty good job.
Yeah, I think they did well
John,
with this
what
one.
would you give this?
I'd say around an 8.
Around an 8? Yeah, I think that's fair. I'm probably closer to a 7.5
Okay.
for this one, but you know,
Yeah.
I always grade
You grade harder
you.
than me.
All right, folks, that's it for this one. We're on to the next one. Check out this video right there.
Of course.
Always on John's face.
Yes.